From the bottom of our hearts, we want to say a big Vinaka to the people of Fiji for supporting our locals and getting Fijians back to work.
Thank you for participating in the Love Our Locals campaign and exploring our amazing country.
Vinaka for joining our Facebook group.
For browsing our deals.
And tagging your friends and family.
Thank you for supporting small business operators.
As well as the big.
Thank you, Fiji, for eating out. Here you go, bro.
For buying Fijian made.
For supporting local entertainers.
And helping us keep our islands connected.
Vinaka for revisiting the past.
And experiencing the new.
Thank you for taking things off your bucket list. On our back roads.
In our rivers.
Or across our oceans.
Vinaka Fiji for downloading Fiji app.
And practicing physical distancing.
Thank you for being patient when the pools were closed. And for diving right in when they reopened.
Vinaka Fiji for loving our locals. Together we can.